Hi, this is your host. Today we're going to talk about how to have stronger bones after 60. As we get older, our bones become more and more weak and brittle. And we start getting all sorts of aches and pains in our bones, in our joints. It's just part of the aging process, right? Well, not necessarily. You see, there are certain nutrients that you can take or consume that can actually make your bones stronger. So today I'm going to share with you some very simple, inexpensive things that you can do to actually strengthen your bones and help prevent osteoporosis and fractures as you get older. Alright, let's dive in. The first nutrient that I want to talk about is calcium. Now, when you think about foods high in calcium, you typically think about dairy products like milk and cheese and yogurt. But you can also get good amounts of calcium from leafy greens like kale and broccoli and almonds, and even tofu. Calcium is very essential for strong bones. In fact, about 99% of your body's calcium is stored in your bones and teeth. And so, by consuming enough calcium, you can actually increase the density of your bones, making them stronger and less likely to fracture. Alright, the second nutrient is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is actually a hormone that our bodies produce when we're exposed to sunlight. It's very essential for strong bones because it helps your body absorb more calcium. Without enough vitamin D, you can't absorb enough calcium, which can lead to bone loss. So what foods are high in vitamin D? Well, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel and sardines are very high in vitamin D, but you can also get vitamin D from eggs and from beef liver. And of course you can get vitamin D from the sun, but you have to be careful not to get too much or too little. Alright, the third nutrient is magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that's found in a lot of different foods, including leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Magnesium is important for strong bones because it works with calcium to build bone density. It also helps your body absorb more vitamin D, and it helps regulate the parathyroid hormone, which helps control the amount of calcium in your blood. And the fourth nutrient is protein. Protein is essential for strong bones because it provides the framework for bone growth and repair. It also helps your body absorb more calcium. Now, the best sources of protein for strong bones are animal-based proteins like chicken, beef, pork, eggs, and dairy products. But you can also get good amounts of protein from plants, including beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. So if you follow these simple tips and you incorporate these nutrients into your diet, you can help keep your bones strong and healthy as you age. You can reduce your risk of osteoporosis and fractures, and you can help keep your joints healthy and pain-free. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have any questions about nutrition or weight loss or diabetes or any of these other health conditions, please feel free to reach out to me through my contact page. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.